Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to be going over understanding a drying chamber and water damage restoration. Water damage can cause severe structural issues and mold growth. A drying chamber is a key tool in water damage restoration, providing a controlled environment to remove moisture efficiently. What is a drying chamber? A drying chamber isolates wet areas using plastic sheeting or barriers, creating an enclosed space where airflow, temperature, and humidity are regulated. This setup speeds up the drying process and prevents further damage. How does it work? Isolation. Containing the infected area, such as a flooded bathroom or kitchen leak, prevents moisture from spreading. Regulated airflow and humidity. Air movers and dehumidifiers remove moisture from the air and surfaces, accelerating the drying. Temperature control. Warmer air holds more moisture, so controlled heating speeds up evaporation while preventing material damage. Continuous monitoring. Moisture meters and hydrometers track drying process, ensuring thorough moisture removal. The benefits of a drying chamber. Faster drying. Reduces drying time and prevents secondary damage like mold growth. Controlled environment. Keeps humidity and moisture levels in check for thorough drying. Prevents mold and bacteria. Rapid drying ensures affected areas remain clean and sanitizes. Common uses of a drying chamber. Bathroom floods. Dries tiles, walls, and fixtures to prevent mold growth. Kitchen leaks. Targets damp cabinets and sink areas to ensure complete drying. Basement flooding. Eliminates excess moisture to prevent mold and structural damage. In conclusion, drying chambers are essential in water damage restoration, creating an optimal drying environment to protect homes from further damage. At PDQ, we specialize in water and fire damage restoration. Please call us today.